Hello friends, welcome to our channel cacraftart. Hope you all are doing well. Today we make a beautiful paper frog. For this we need a square size paper. Today we use a green paper. Then fold the paper step by step like this way. Keep watching. To watch more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the more updates of new beautiful videos. Thanks for watching. You also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The link is given in the description box. Stay tuned. Look how I fold the paper and follow this way. Now our origami paper frog is ready. Look at the cute frog. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.